This bridge is only wide enough for one vehicle. That guy's gone. Now it's my turn. Why do I suddenly feel so heavy-hearted? Yeah, why are you climbing on me?
Give me a ride, please!
But the bridge can only accommodate one vehicle at a time.
So you're still giving me a ride in the same car, right?
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God, how unlucky.
That's not good. I think you should go downstairs.
It's okay, you can go ahead.
Oh, my head.
Much later.
Yo, 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 yo! We have work to do now. Let's roll out. Transform! Transform!
Help me! Let's go! Come on, you can do it!
Hooray!
And me too! See, I told you we'd be safe no matter what.
How do I get to the other side now?
We need a new bridge.
I think so.
Yo, 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 yo! Wait until the construction is finished.
Okay already.
Goodbye!
Thank you very much. I can go on time right now.
You're welcome.
Bye, have a great time.
I can go hop! Stop!
You have broken the law,
I was just hitching a ride.
but the weight is from both vehicles. Please come to the police station.
Come on! Oh my God, how unlucky.
Yo, 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 yo!
Wait. Come on! Oh, I'm stuck.
1 hour later.
Hang on, I'm coming. Yo, 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 yo!
Hold on, team. I've got this under control.
Transform! Come on, you can do it! Go! 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 Thanks, that was scary.
Oh no! This road is a muddy disaster.
We need a new road. Safer. Yellow, level the ground. Green, time to clean up.
I'll clean all the mud. Messy job, no problem. Less gross. Let's go!
Hey! Stand back. I'm building our way out of this.
Let's rope 'em and ride!
No! Wrong place!
I'm sorry.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh my God!
Hey! Thank you. Great job!
All right, let's get back to work.
Go! 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 Go!
Yeah. Okay already. Much later.
Concrete ready.
Let me flatten
10 years later.
Bing bong!
Hooray! Hooray!
Wow, no slipping now?
When the road is wet, always drive carefully. Safety first.
Hey!
Come on, you can do it!
So sleepy.
Help me!
10 years later.
Bridge collapse. Send rescue team.
Let's go!
Transform!
Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform!
Transform!
Let's go!
Hey!
Police!
Hello?
Let me first.
Help!
Got you, buddy.
Hooray! Oh, yes! Thank you!
So easy for me.
Hey guys, abracadabra! Let me help you.
Wow, that's really great!
It's amazing!
Thank you very much.
5 minutes later.
Let's do it together.
Okay, here we go.
We need the construction team.
Okay already.
Yo, 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 yo.
Cement is coming. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. Let me smooth the way.
Much, much, much later.
I'll flatten the road.
Oh yeah! You guys are amazing.
Hard work is great, but rest is important too.
Thank you. I'll be more careful.
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time. Good to see you.
Stay safe. We are ready to help you at any time.
Goodbye!
Must survey the site.
Hey! Hey!
What are you calling me for?
You and I check the site carefully so the vehicles can start working.
Don't worry, I always do well.
Remember to check carefully.
Hey! Hey, what happened?
Okay already. Whoa!
This policeman is really talkative. Probably someone poured sand in. Nothing to check. What's wrong?
Five minutes later.
It sounded like Red was screaming.
Let's go see what's going on. He is at the construction site today.
Let's go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Oh my god, please save him.
Calm down. We need to handle the monster to save him. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Hey!
Red, use your power.
Right? I have power.
Transform!
Monster, you can't hurt my friend.
Also, what was that?
Take now.
Come on!
I am the one who caused this. I have to take responsibility for this. Water blast, go!
Oh my god!
Hurry up and dig a hole for it. I can't last long.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Hooray!
A few minutes later.
Please check carefully everything next time.
I won't let this happen again. Be responsible for the work you undertake.
Meanwhile,
Hey!
Hey, this TV will be mine. What?
Who stole my TV?
Let's get out of here!
Stop right there, thief.
Ah, a chicken!
Phew. Almost hit it.
Yeah, I'm back!
Oh no, I'm stuck too.
Oh my, what happened here?
Help me!
Quick, let's rescue them.
Be careful.
Sorry, let me try again.
Come on, come on! Let's go!
Phew. Thank you so much, friends. Must clean and refresh the road.
Hello, we need road repair right now.
5 minutes later.
We are here to help! Be careful!
Let's go!
Time to build a concrete road!
A few moments later.
I come here!
Much later.
All done, the brand new road is ready.
Stealing is quick, but trouble is quicker.
I'm sorry, everyone. I won't do that again.
Goodbye!
Bye, have a great time.
All week long.
Haha, it's so funny. The obstacle is very big. Oh no, what's going on? Oh my god, bye-bye.
Oh no! The elephant and the giraffe knocked down the rocks and just left. What should we do now?
It's dangerous.
Heavy rain pours down, filling the hole halfway with muddy water.
So cool. The feeling is great. Wow, it's a beautiful day.
Steve relaxes on a float inside the hole. not realizing that danger is approaching fast.
Hey, stop. Oh no, what happened? Help me, please.
Oh my God.
What? I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, it is unbelievable in my eyes.
There is an accident here. Help me.
Somewhere else, the crane is happily cleaning up trash, unaware that a terrible accident has just happened.
What? Emergency.
Okay!
I will come right now. Go.
I come here. Calm down.
Wait a minute. Yeah, fighting.
Okay!
Be patient. Fighting. You are about to get out of the hole. Thank you. Oh my God, what? Please put out the fire. Let me get water.
Ooh, it's unlucky. I come here.
Okay!
The ambulance rushes in, carrying the damaged train away for urgent repairs.
Bye-bye. Goodbye, my friend.
A dump truck arrives, pouring sand to fill the dangerous hole with determination.
Let's fill the hole together.
Together with the crane, they flatten and press the sand firmly, restoring the road safely again.
Almost
Teamwork
complete.
makes the impossible possible.
Okay!
Pay attention to the speed when participating in traffic. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Hello, friends! Wishing you a beautiful and safe day ahead.
This weather makes me so sleepy.
What is this? It turned out that the cave... It's so small. I will make it bigger. I will make it bigger.
The tank discovers a cave under the hill, but the entrance is too small.
happened?
Instead of being careful, he decides to blow it open.
What's going on?
Oh my gosh, look! A giant dinosaur appears, but it seems friendly. It sweeps away the sand and rescues the trapped tank.
Why do you break my place? Monster. What? I don't understand anything.
Terrified, the tank speeds away without thinking. But in his panic, he crashes into the Lego bridge, causing it to collapse. What a
Why so happy?
disaster!
Hey, help me, please. Ah, what?
I need you to help build a bridge.
Later,
Okay.
the dinosaur stops two vehicles on the road and asks for their help. They agree to work together.
Let me clean.
With patience, the dinosaur carefully sweeps away the broken pieces of the fallen bridge.
Yeah, we come here. Help me to transport this Lego pile. Let me help. Go.
The truck helps transport the Lego pieces, clearing the way for rebuilding.
Please transport it for me. Let's go. Yeah, quite fit. Cement, come here.
Here comes the cement truck.
Okay!
Everyone works
Cement
together
come
like
here.
a real team.
The important ingredient makes a lot bridge. just created a cement bulldozer here.
Slowly, they flatten the cement, making the bridge stronger than before. Good teamwork always creates something lasting.
1 hour later.
Wow, amazing! Great! Yeah, we make it.
At last,
So nice.
the new concrete bridge is complete. The vehicles cheer with joy, learning that mistakes can be fixed when we work together and respect safety.
I'm so sorry. Don't arbitrarily ruin the place of others.
Thank you. And remember to subscribe to the channel below.